What's good, YouTube? It's boy Felix here. Today, with my guy Hector in the cut. Today, we're gonna start the
Diffuser?
Oh, look at M340, M340. M340.
That shit's slow, that shit's slow.
Oh, shit. Well, right now, we better start Diffuser in Hector's car. Diffuser and tips, right?
And the tips.
You know what's crazy? I'm recording him, and he's recording me with the glasses.
Yeah.
You see the light right there? Like I was mentioning, this tire's 20-inch. I told him, take it so we can do a burnout, you know?
It's gonna be my burnout tires.
Yeah, so guys, I haven't uploaded videos since like a month or almost 2 months. So I'm doing an upload that's not even on my car. But you know, we gotta make something happen, you know?
Yo, he's gonna have to help me with a little bit with this footage here.
So, alright, so we got the diffuser here, and to take out the other diffuser, you just gotta like. I'll be scared.
That's actually OEM, okay? Guys?
OEM carbon fiber. So you might need like a number 8. You need a number 8 right here. Number 8, perfect. Yeah, right here.
Okay, perfect.
So this is OEM.
No, this is not OEM.
From Timo?
This is MPS, I think. Oh wait, I forgot the name of it.
From Timo?
No Timo. Okay, this was actually $400, so no Timo.
$400 for
Diffuser. Bro, real carbon, bro.
So what's the difference between that one and this one?
This one is way longer. It goes all the way to the side.
Oh, it's the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh.
The tips were like $280. Here's the tips.
See, now he's flexing on us. Right? But yeah, I'm gonna take this one out. You know, me being a mechanic, me being a.
All right, man.
So yeah, I'm gonna take this one out and I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna take the tips and the lip. So I'll be right back. I see it's long. It's the whole thing. Oh yeah, real carbon fiber, guys.
Yeah, that's real carbon. No fake shit. No fake shit. No fake shit. And I also have the side extension. So
Oh, got it.
This one doesn't have it. This one is OEM, but it doesn't have it.
Yeah, doesn't have it. Yeah, this is gonna be mad aggressive. Flip it. I wanna see.
Yeah, I'm trying to take it out here.
Oh.
You see that?
Damn, this is so long and big.
Hey, right, and girthy.
Oh my gosh.
Look
Yo, it's
fire.
aggressive. That's aggressive.
And with the tips, with longer tips,
Yeah.
the carbon too.
I'll put this in here.
Yeah, put it there. So
Yeah, you gotta be careful, yo, with this. You know what I'm saying? You can't mess up with the fake carbon. Yeah, we're the side of the.
Need some hood rat shit. But one day, guys, I promise you this: we're gonna what?
We're gonna have our own shop.
Our own shop, yeah.
Oh, S3M? No, never mind. Guys,
Yo, guys,
see, you don't gotta pay. You don't gotta pay no mechanics to do this for you. Literally, just get some tools. Go to Walmart, Target, order $20 for a whole set of tools, and just do it, man.
Boom, man.
You know, just go in the streets. Just get a box, the same box that you park him in. Break it apart and just get under the car. Get dirty. Get fucking dirty. Hey, what the fuck?
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. So, guys, this is supposed to be like a 10-minute install. let me know and say.
Yo, this nigga loves to get under the car, bro. This nigga loves to get under the car. I was like, yo, you don't have to get under the car. We literally just have to push it out. I think we should take the tips off first.
I mean, the diffuser's already out.
Okay.
Okay, so this is not.
Yeah, nunca se lleva de mí, bro.
Hey, I like getting
No,
dirty.
but it's okay because he has more experience than me, to be honest, in starting shit, so.
Hector?
Yeah?
What's the number 8 for this?
Huh?
What's the other one?
I'm not sure, but you have extra ones, so we're fine.
Okay. You got extra ones. So what if I need it for my 340?
Well,
What if I break down?
bro, that's like $2. Any auto sun near you. Any auto part near you.
It's the last screw before it comes out. You ready to see your car naked? You ready to see your car naked? Guys, be careful with this.
If I'm ready for what?
This is OEM.
This is OEM.
You want to be really careful because the clips, you could break the clips easily, so you don't want that.
You don't want to break the clips. No.
Because then the other one, the new one's not a hook in there.
Never.
So I'm gonna look more professional. Like
Where's your bad at, bro?
I'm gonna look more professional, like a hood mechanic. So I'm gonna put this line.
You're gonna be Eric. Nigga is morphing into Eric right now.
Eric is all off, you know, we're over here. Gotta be really careful. There you go. Oh shit, it melted.
What the fuck? Oh, that's the glue.
The glue?
Yeah. Yeah, that shit. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, what are you?
What the fuck? The glue?
Yo, esa es la leche tuya, negra.
As you can see, guys, the OEM. Really, it's
Yo,
the same
what
thing
the
as the other
fuck
one.
is that? Yeah, that's how you know it's real, though. You see?
Yeah. Damn. Shout out to BMW. You was gonna sell this for $200?
Yeah, that's what they go for.
This shit like this? You think people gonna buy that shit for $200?
Yeah, because that's dirt. That's not.
Oh,
Oh,
that's dirt?
yeah, look, it's not cracked.
Okay. Good boy.
Look, the other one has the same thing.
Yeah,
The same.
I see.
I thought it was cracked too, but it's just like the dirt.
This piece is fire. Damn.
Yeah, that's dirt. You see?
Oh shit.
I got scared too. I got scared.
This is fire.
We'll clean it. We'll clean it.
Alright. So let me take the tips
The
off.
tips off.
And I'm gonna get back to you guys.
Look how it looks without it. It looks ugly. Ya me rayó el carro. We gotta hit it. Wait, I'm gonna record on the glasses for this one.
Yo, so guys,
This shit looks bad, Russ.
if you wanna take the tips out from an OEM M3, just need to get
This is the
a
back
hammer,
part.
just the back part. Put a rack on there because you wanna resell this
Yeah,
for like
definitely.
for like $3.
I feel not like this. This is like 400. I know what I have. Okay,
Yeah, alright. So hook it here,
I'm pretty firm.
hook it here. And hold this. Make sure, guys, don't just pull. Hold the exhaust too, so you can put more pressure.
Feeling the pressure. you imagine the whole muffler comes out.
We did back today, so. But you guys gotta be careful with this. It's a problem. But it's we from the hood. So now you take this part, right?
Yo, we're from the hood in DR. We're from the hood here too.
You don't need this.
He just broke it more.
You can resell that.
I could definitely resell that.
Put this somewhere else.
I resell everything, bro.
Alright. Just put it in there.
I'm gonna just put it. I'm gonna just lay it down, bro.
Alright, you do the same thing.
Yeah. Oh, look at that Civic. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
You ready to come out? You gotta moan a little bit. Right there.
You gotta moan it?
Yeah, you gotta moan it. So, man, what the fuck? Water? That's evaporation.
Yeah,
know,
it is. It
too
is.
much power.
That means my motor is good.
That's what Dominican says. Okay, one more. Ready?
Come on.
I feel like
That's
it
the
was-
one
it was-
you
it was
punched in.
It was easier
Yeah, like this.
without the diffuser. Because you would've-
Oh, without the diffuser, you would have
would've
scraped
hit,
it.
Yeah.
Oye, ¿cómo es your son, Felix? Come on. That's my brake. Not my. Literally. That's because you punched it in.
I didn't push it in.
You want some freaking cats, everything come up before you come.
I'm not moaning. That's a problem. That's a bad idea. Watch.
Bro,
watch.
moan it.
Right when I moan, this shit's gonna come out. Watch. You ready for this?
Yeah. Moan. This is gonna break my emergency brake.
This is fucking tight. Bro. Hold on, guys. Let me take a little.
It's okay.
Bro, always gotta be one, bro. Always gotta be one.
Come on.
Word. Yo, bro.
Oh, I don't think. There is always something. You remember last time with my intakes, it was the freaking sensor?
Yo, this shit's fucking putting there, bro. Fucking
Okay, let me try.
Let's try.
Okay.
Yo, you don't worry, bro. I'm gonna fucking show you.
You gonna sell it on eBay too? You sell everything on eBay, bro.
Yes,
It was gonna buy your account. Bro, it looks like you're giving back shots to the car.
Bro, what the fuck? Try it, bro. Try it.
Okay. Come, let's
Well,
switch.
guys, it's always one side that is always the hard one to get out. Okay. Probably he's more stronger than me today. I took 3 out. He took 1 out. Okay, there, good. All right, you do that, and I pull it back. I put it down. Oh, hold on, let me go. Guys, be right back. Yo, what happened? What happened? We took those tips right there.
Huh?
Those tips right there, they're blue.
Oh, you crazy.
But what the fuck is 4 of them? He covered the other ones?
Yeah, because the other ones don't work.
Ah.
It's just the car that puts it. Like,
Come on, guys. Don't be. Make sure all your tips are working. What's the tips at? They in that box? Yeah, we do. Cops, you're not doing nothing bad. We're not doing nothing bad. Just a little bit a crack and just put it in the Noxy mode.
You're selling crack.
Put it, hit it 3 times.
Another time?
The Noxy mode? Or it's not M340.
Huh?
There you go.
I got it. So.
Bro, watch that.
Me. We'll make a meat.
You pull up. Everybody pull up. Everybody park sideways. If you get a ticket, it's not on me. Oh, the car's outside.
That shit is gold.
Yeah. Oh shit. All right, what's the tips at, Hector? Watch. Once you see me recording, they're gonna do a flyby. Watch. You ready?
There's no camera.
No, right there, and then the other cameras all around the front, so they're good.
Man, that sounds good. Oh shit, he almost crashed.
Yeah. Fucking 330, I told you.
Dude, he almost crashed, bro.
I
With
know.
the Range Rover. The Range Rover got his way.
What's the 330?
Huh?
It's a 330.
30 off. Yeah, it looked like.
Alright, so all 4 tips are out. Yo, look, bro, I can't lie. These look like a takeover guy.
A takeaway.
Yo, if you want to look like a takeover guy, just take off your muffler, the diffuser, and you're good. I can't lie, looks ugly as fuck without that. This looks ugly as fuck without that shit. Okay, so you ready for this? Okay. I'll be honest, the hardest part that we might have is doing the holes in that. Well, don't worry, we got an impact guard for that. Okay, you ready? Reveal the tips.
Yeah, okay. So this is the glorious tips.
Okay.
Almost $300 tips here with delivery and taxes. You gotta include that. I'm not fucking rich.
Guys. Okay. Are they the same color as that one?
Nah.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hurry up, bro.
Bro, this shit is mad rap.
Oh shit.
Oh, I didn't even know that came like that. Okay.
Damn. Shit. Also, you get
I
extra.
didn't even know it was rainbow.
You get extra protection. You got the clamps here.
Yeah, I got clamps too.
Just for all the motherfuckers want to see this shit, you can't. Alright, you can't. Fuck. Okay, this is fire, bro.
Bro, I didn't even know it kept like blue.
Alright, guys, let me install this real quick, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Alright. Alright, yeah. So there you go. The tips are on. They look straight to me. Yeah, they look good. They look good. Ooh, shush. Alright, guys, so right now we're going to put the diffuser. This is how the tips look right now. It looks really good. What you think?
It looks beautiful.
Yes,
The
sir.
only thing I'm a little disappointed about is the inside of the tips.
By the different
They look
color.
rainbow, but I feel like they won't look bad once the diffuser is on.
Not only that, once it gets some heat, it's going to switch
once
color.
it gets some heat, it will look.
Alright, let's see.
We're just gonna see how it will kind of look like with this thing on right now. But you know what I noticed? This one doesn't have the clips.
The one that broke off? Hold this, let me put it on.
Okay.
Hector, let me put it fucking on. Let me put it on.
Okay.
It's all about getting the floor dirty. You should get broke on clips.
No, it doesn't. I think it's just pure drill.
Put the camera down. I hope you do this.
Okay.
I'm about to use both hands.
Wait, guys.
We'll be right back.